Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Nothing can ruin your trip more than getting your stuff stolen while traveling. You are far away from home, and your stuff is not easily replaced, especially your passport or ID. Man, if those things got stolen, they could easily trigger a panic attack. But you can mitigate this from ever happening in the first place by asking yourself this: when in foreign lands, who do thieves usually target first? Tourists. They are obvious to spot, are often distracted, and are easy targets. So this is today's tip. When traveling, look less touristy. Now, there is nothing wrong with coming off as or being a tourist, but when you look like one, it makes you stand out more and you become more of a target for thieves, vendors, or just plain wrongdoers who want to take advantage of foreigners. So, what makes a tourist so easy to spot? Well, they are often found pulling a suitcase, wearing oversized or gaudy colorful backpacks, wearing a fanny pack, dressed in loose-fitting clothing like hoodies or sweatpants, wearing bulky or sporty sneakers, and finally, wearing shirts with big logos on them, showcasing a sports team or a university or high school, or even a previous trip they went on, like, I don't know, Mount Rushmore. I mean, you get the idea. All these things scream tourist, aka a target for thieves, which we want to avoid. For these reasons, I highly recommend traveling with the following. Wear earthier tones like blacks, grays, browns, dark greens. These will help you blend in more rather than stand out in crowds. The fewer logos, the better. Like I said before, they put a big target on your back, making you really easy to spot. Wear simple, clean shoes. These won't attract attention to your feet, aka, give you away that you're a tourist, and will most likely go with all your outfits. And finally, travel with just one backpack. When you have to babysit a suitcase, it diverts your attention from what is going on around you, making you an easier target. Plus, nothing says I'm a tourist more than a suitcase in tow. Alright, so by traveling in these ways, you will look more like an expat or a foreigner who lives abroad rather than a tourist. This will make it easy for you to blend in with local culture and experience cities like a native, as natives will be more willing to interact with you as well. Plus, now that you don't look like the average tourist, you are less likely to get taken advantage of by thieves, vendors, or taxi drivers who charge you the tourist tax. It's real. It's a win-win-win. All right. So this was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe now button so you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. Also, this week's coffee sponsor was myself. All right, I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.